bit. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Screw this. Yeah. There we go. Wipe this oil down a little bit. Clean it up. Drop. See what you got. OEM style gasket. That fits perfect. Let it drain a little more. Alright, she's ready for the plug. Threads in just fine. Nice. Give me my tool here. Switch. And yeet. It's good right there. Woo. Alright. Bam. Drop this hole. Come here, boy. Let's get some oil in here. Pump it. See the numbers moving? Boom, right there. Yeah, come out. Shake it down. Pull out slow. Very nice. Give it a little twist. Put the cap on. Yep. Return. Just start this bitch up. Woo. Maintenance info. Reset maintenance. Hell yeah. That's why I'm here, bro. Alright. She's at 100%. Let's see what you got, Brody. We're looking good here. Let's clean her up. And she's ready for another 10,000 miles. I'm joking, don't do that. 5,000 miles.